So, what are the new developments in the business segment in which you are working now?
The new developments in the business segment are there is more stress on Make in India now. A lot of Swadeshi push, and beyond the tariff imposition, there is a lot of nationalist movement which is happening, and a lot of push towards Swadeshi. This is a new trend
So,
which we are seeing.
you have mentioned tariff. How are the tariffs going to affect Make in India in terms of exports?
See, now the tariffs are reversed once again. Reversed means whatever tariffs were there from the US side, they have now come into within 15%. So that is a welcome development for us, and we are competitive again.
But can we trust Trump?
But
can
I
go in
think
any
yes,
direction.
at least he has been tamed by his own codes. This is something good which has happened for us. But what good he has done to us is he has given that spirit to people to go in for Swadeshi. A lot of people are now, wanting to push their own products
Rather than importing.
Yes. So let's see what happens. But that movement has started.
So you are also engaged in Make in India products?
Our association strongly goes in for Make in India.
Okay.
We are very much. We want to coexist with the multinational
And what are some
brands.
of the activities in Make in India that you are doing?
We are actively engaging with GEM to promote our small enterprises. We are engaging with MSME Ministry to sort of handhold them, and we have also now we are associated with CAIT, which is led by Praveen Khandelwalji, who is the chief guest today. So we with our for policy changes, we are looking at CAIT to help us to get some policies favoring Make in India.
Are you becoming successful in that?
Well, the attempt is there, and we are very hopeful of getting good results.
And are there more and more businesses attempting Make in India?
Yes, definitely.
Within your organization?
Yes. Within our organization, there is a shift which is
So
happening.
is it an assembly of imported components?
Yes,
Or is it
initially,
a
yes.
manufacture of
It is starting with
in-house?
assembling only. Mainly, it is assembling.
Okay.
But,
So they are importing from
yes,
China
but-
or from where?
Mainly, China is the component supplier.
Okay.
But we are very hopeful that once assembling will change into components very fast.
Okay.
People will, whatever is selling more, somebody would want to venture into that component manufacturing.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.